Hello friends, welcome back to my another video. So in today's video I am going to share how you can start a freelance work if you are looking out for the entry level experience, or if you are holding a good amount of experience in any domain, then how you can start and beating out the freelance projects. So a very popular website here on my screen is the freelancer.com. So basically you have to create your professional profile on this website, and you have to upload all your portfolios and maintain your project work over here, so that the clients will see your work history, your abilities, and can show interest in your assigning to task to you, right? So this is a basic homepage, and if you are not sure how to create a basic freelancer profile, then in browse you can see the popular freelancers, and you can just pick up anyone and see how they created their profile. So here, if you see here, the Nigar K, she is a UX UI designer. This is her work title, her hourly rate, her address, her timing of available, and she introduced herself like this. And she shown her work history, strategy, design, development, and quality assurance in four different parts, and her skills in very brief, and her website. Okay, so this is how she maintained her profile, and whatever of freelance work she had done, she had also mentioned this over here, portfolio items. And these reviews come with time. The way you pick up the freelance work, it will come with time, right? Okay, so let me open her one of the project work. Okay, that's fine. So this is how you can also prepare your profile. Okay, now you have to go to browse, or in freelance homepage. Once you're done with your profile creation, you have to go and find the projects right here and click on the browse. Okay, once you click on browse, you will see a window over here, search window, and here you will see the list of freelance jobs available in your area or across the globe. So you have to simply type your skill here. So let's say Tableau and SQL. I'm just typing my skills, and see the relevant results over here. Okay, so just wait. See, the first one is Stellar Log Analyzer for MS SQL. Recover deleted row from the SQL database using the Stellar Log. Recover deleted rows from the SQL Server. Automation logging. Okay, so these are the some SQL related job, quick sense dashboard and all. And let me try to get some project on the Tableau. So once I entered the Tableau, see some work related to Tableau is over here. So let's see the dashboard using Power BI or Tableau. So let's open this and see the project history. Like, need to create dashboard using Power BI or Tableau. Also need to make presentation based on the created visualization. Okay, so this is the task, and what they are offering from 1000 rupees to 3000 rupees only. So I think this is a best starting project. If you are absolute fresher, you can simply beat your amount at what price you are expecting, what is the total time duration you may need. And here, if you see paid to you 12,000, so 250 rupees to 40 rupees will be the go to the freelance.com as a middleman, what they are offering the work to you, so they will charge you. So you have to describe your proposal over here. So you have to prepare a very well draft here, so that the client will quickly see your profile. So I just simply mentioned like I am a 5 years of experience of the Tableau development, and have good understanding how to create the interactive dashboard, analyze the data, and blah blah blah. And this is just a basic profile history of mine. Okay, so now you have to select the 2000 rupees. That for this you can do this work. So you are expecting 2000 rupees based on the bidding. You have three options: sponsored, sealed, and highlight. So sponsored means if someone else is sponsoring you, it will be a $9 USD you have to pay. Second one is the sealed. Whatever description you are giving over here, it will not be visible if you select on sealed. And highlight is something work like it will highlight your bidding when clients see bidding on his project. So for entry level, these options are not necessary to be clicked, so you simply have to place the bid over here, and boom, you are done with your first bidding. You have successfully placed a bid and view performance and bid inside from the limited time. So I have not maintained my profile, so maybe I will get a message from this guy, but that's fine. So this is how you can start looking out for the Tableau related freelance work. And initial phase of my career, I started with a few basic freelance work and got some understanding how the Tableau dashboard works in real life scenarios. So this is all about today. I just try to give you a quick insight of how you can find a freelancing work if you are willing to get some sort of experience in data science or BI analytics or data analysis. So it is not limited to any particular thing. Whatever skill set you have, you can try the freelancing work with that. So hope you found this video useful, and you can hit a thumbs up button and share your thoughts into the comment section. Okay, so that's all for the day. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye.